Now this problem, A can do work in 20 days, B can do the same work in 30 days, A, B and C together can complete the work in 10 days. In how many days C can do the work while working all alone? Now maximum times what happens, we try to make the equations for this sort of problems, right? So that's actually unnecessary time consuming. Now see, A, B and C together can complete the work in 10 days. A can do the work in 20 days, that means in 10 days A might have done half of the work, that is 50% of the work has been done by A, right? B can complete the entire work in 30 days, that means he is working for 10 days, that means he might have done 1/3 of the work, right? So 33% of the work has been done by B, 50% of the work has been done by A, so the remaining around 16% of the work, that is 1/6 of the work, has been done by C in these 10 days. That means if C works for 10 days, he is able to do 1/6 of the work. That means if he has to do entire work, he'll be taking 60 days. Isn't it so simple? No need to make any equation, just it's a game of fractions. Just try to develop this approach. Just have good practice on the problems based on time, this time and work. Let's do the next one.